Apple just dropped iOS 18.6 for all iPhone users. And whether you are on 18.5 or earlier, this update is available right now. There are critical security patches, bug fixes, and new features you need to know about. And I will walk you through the most two steps right after you install it. iOS 18.6 does not bring a major redesign, but it's very important. Fixes a bug in photo memories that was preventing users from sharing videos. Massive security patches. Apple did not list them all, but they are crucial. For the users in EU, this update now allows installing third-party marketplaces and apps directly from the web. Once you're updated, go to App Store, tap your profile icon and pull down to refresh. Even if you have enabled automatic updates, manually refreshing will pull any critical third-party app updates that improve stability and performance on iOS 18.6. If you had battery drain issues in earlier versions or betas, 18.6 should help. This version is showing great battery life and high stability across multiple devices tested. If you're on the beta and struggling with battery, consider downgrading to 18.6. Lastly, check your carrier updates. So navigate to the option General, click on About. Wait 5 to 10 seconds. If there is a carrier update, a pop-up will appear. Just tap Update. This improves network signal, call quality, and connection reliability. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.